Former Hollywood producer Harvey Weinstein was sentenced to 23 years in prison on Wednesday after he was convicted of rape last month in a landmark case hailed as a victory for the Me Too movement. Some applauded as Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance left the courtroom. He said he was grateful the judge took the case seriously.
The judge sent a message today that this type of behavior is something that any potential offender is going to have to consider.
Ahead of the sentencing, Weinstein made an unrepentant statement to the court, saying, quote, "I feel remorse for all of the men who are going through this fight," and said he was worried about thousands of men being denied due process in the Me Too era.
That sentence that was just handed down by this court was obscene.
Weinstein's lawyer, Donna Rotuno, said she was overcome with anger over the punishment.
That number spoke to the pressure of movements and the public. That number did not speak to the evidence that came out at trial. That number did not speak to the testimony that we heard. That number did not speak to evidence, nor did it speak to justice.
Once one of Hollywood's most influential producers, the 67-year-old was found guilty last month of sexually assaulting former production assistant Mimi Halei and raping Jessica Mann, a former aspiring actress. But he was acquitted of the most serious charge. In an emotional statement to the court Wednesday, Mimi Halei spoke of the attack, saying, quote, "It scarred me deeply, mentally and emotionally, perhaps irreparably, perhaps forever." In all, more than 100 women have accused Weinstein of sexual misconduct. The former Hollywood mogul has denied the allegations and said that any sex was consensual. Court documents unsealed Monday included an email to Weinstein from his estranged brother and producing partner, Bob Weinstein, telling him he belonged in hell.